I'm here with Adam from Jim's Fencing. How are you, Adam?
Yeah, great, Jack, great.
Cool, and we're over at Point Lonsdale at one of their oldest and most original sporting grounds, which is right next to the ocean here. Absolutely stunning spot, isn't it?
Yeah, it is. A little bit windy today, but...
Adam's been working on this project for a while, and it's been a really interesting project because we had a couple of constraints around where we can locate the posts.
Yeah, that's correct. So all the post holes are in the original fence location. So it's given us a few little extra things to consider along the way, but it's so far so good. Everything's worked out great so far, and working in with Think Fencing to make sure that all the panels are custom made to fit our spaces, so everything looks uniform and looks great when we finished it off at the end of the job. Yeah.
How many panels are there here?
I think about 140 to 150, so it's quite a large job, about 400 metres all up. Yeah.
Every single one of those panels is custom made?
Yeah, correct. They're all custom. So, I mean, they're all within a similar sort of range, but yeah, all of them are their own unique spacing, yeah.
So tell me a bit about the system.
So this is the, obviously it's the picket style, but this one's got the extra strength in it. With it being in a public space, it has like a steel bottom rail underneath here.
Okay.
And then a steel top rail up here, which is all screwed in through this rail here. So it's all locked in. And then when we're towards the end of the job, we'll also screw off the back as well. So it's going to have screws running through the back of it. So it's all locked in as well. So built for strength, yeah, certainly.
And I see this 88 by 51 top rails flipped over on its side. And I imagine that's so the punters can put their beer on it?
Exactly. A couple of beverages on a nice warm sunny day.
Also, in a situation like this, what would be involved in actually replacing those pickets?
Not a hell of a lot, really. Just basically pull the old ones out, just get a couple of new ones from you guys and trim them and put them straight back in. So, yeah, really simple.
And how strong is this? Like, could I stand on the top, do you think?
Oh, I reckon so. You could give it a try.
Oh, let's have a crack. That's absolutely rock solid. So for a commercial project like this, I think that steel reinforcing and this design is just so important. It's been an absolute pleasure working with you, and Adam's been working with as one of our preferred contractors for probably 10 years.
Yeah, probably even longer.
Yeah, maybe longer. So absolutely fantastic. Thank you very much.
My pleasure.
Good stuff.